Ever wondered why your plants aren't growing as lush and vibrant as you'd like? The answer might be right beneath your feet. Yes, the secret to a thriving garden is all in the soil. Understanding the condition of your soil is the first step towards a blooming garden. Start by testing your soil. This will disclose its pH level and nutrient content, giving you a clear idea of what it needs. You can use a soil testing kit or send a sample to a local extension service. Once you've got the report, it's time to make some amendments. One of the best ways to improve soil structure and fertility is by adding organic matter. Compost, aged manure, or leaf mold will do the trick. These not only improve the texture of the soil, making it easier for roots to spread, but also provide essential nutrients that your plants need to thrive. The next step might sound simple, but it's a game changer: mulching. Mulch your garden beds to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. As the mulch breaks down over time, it will further enrich your soil with nutrients. And finally, to maintain the health of your soil, consider crop rotation. This practice prevents the soil from being sucked dry of specific nutrients. Each plant variety has different nutrient needs, and by rotating your crops, you ensure a balanced nutrient diet for your soil. So, there you have it. With these simple, manageable steps, you're now equipped to transform your garden soil into a fertile, plant-friendly environment. By focusing on the health of your soil, you're setting your garden up for long-term success. Remember, a great garden starts from the ground up. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and watch as your garden transforms into a lush, green sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this journey to healthier soil. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more gardening wisdom. Until next time, happy gardening.